folks, and welcome to part 1 of the intermediate series on core data. I hope you took the time to watch the introduction. In the introduction, we talked about 3 different ways to tackle saving the managed object when we're dealing with core data. I mentioned in the introduction that we'd be doing the second method. That means we're going to save the core data object with our normal object. So if I go to person, right now we see that person is made up of a first name and a last name, and we have our initializer. Now I'm going to add in here a var for the NS managed object. And this is going to be of type what? It's going to be of type person entity. So, if you recall, if we look at our model, we have a person entity that's used to save data into core data. We now have our person, which has a method, it has a new piece of data of type person entity. So let's add this into our constructor or our initializer. And let me just make some room for that. And down here I'm going to say what? Self dot the NS managed object is equal to what? The NS managed object. The NS. Hello, come on. The NS managed object. There we go. And that should be good. So now, not only are we saving the first name and last name, we are also saving a reference to the NS managed object. Now, we have to make sure that whenever we add a new managed object, whenever we add a new object, we have to make sure we add a corresponding NS managed object. So, we're going to do that in the next video, but in this video, all we did was we saved an object, we saved the managed object so we can start working with it in the code. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.